This is Somshekar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Sarami Government Science College, Mamunkate, Bhadravati. Welcome to my first session of Differential Equations chapter, which is Total Differential Equation. Students already know about how to solve the second order differential equations with variable coefficients by the method of verifying the exactness. Before going to this session, students should know how to find the partial derivatives and the integrity condition of the equation p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0. After this session, students know about how to verify the condition of how to verify the integrity condition of the given total differential equation. Let me go through about the exact nature of total differential equation. An equation of the form p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0 where p, q and r are functions of x, y and z, that is they are the terms in x, y and z, is called total differential equation. The integrability condition of this equation is p into del q by del z minus del r by del y plus q into del r by del x minus del p by del z plus r into del p by del y minus del q by del x is equal to 0. Here p is the coefficient of dx and capital Q is the coefficient of dy, capital R is the coefficient of dz in the standard form. Let me go through some examples. Take the first example. Verify the integrity condition of the equation 3x squared dx plus 3y squared dy minus of x cube plus y cube plus e power of 2z into dz equal to 0. First write down the values of PQR. I already told you what is P and what is Q and what is R. P is the coefficient of dx. Here it will be 3x square. P is equal to 3x square. Q is the coefficient of dy. Here it is 3y square. And R is negative of x cube plus y cube plus e power of 2z. We have to take negative also, because in the standard form it will be plus. Multiply by negative minus x cube minus y cube minus e power of 2z, and this is my capital R. First to find out these values, del p by del y, del p by del z, del q by del x, del q by del z, del r by del x, del r by del y, which are necessary to test the integrability condition. Now del p by del y is equal to, del p by del y means the partial derivative of p with respect to y, keeping other constants as constants, keeping other variables as constants. Here the derivative, here you have to differentiate p with respect to y, keeping other variables, that is x and z are constants. Here x is constant, 3 is constant, so the derivative will be 0. Del p by del y is equal to 0. Del p by del z, differentiate p with respect to z, keeping x and y are constants. Here x and 3 are constants, so the derivative will be 0. The derivative with respect to z, the partial derivative of p with respect to z will be 0. Del q by del x, differentiate q with respect to x, keeping y and z are constants. Here y is constant, 3 is constant, so the derivative will be 0. Del q by del z, we have to differentiate with respect to z. Here y is constant, and so the derivative will be 0. Del r by del x, differentiate r with respect to x, keeping y and z are constants. With respect to x differentiation minus 3x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, y ಮತ್ತೆ z constant, so on differentiation these terms become 0. The only remaining is minus 3x square. Similarly, del r by del y is equal to, with respect to y differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, keeping x and z are constants. Minus x cube constant to 0, minus y cube na differentiation no minus 3y square minus e power of 2z na differentiation 0 because that will be a constant. Now consider this term p into del q by del z minus del r by del y plus q into del r by del x minus del p by del z plus r into del p by del y minus del q by del x. Insert the respective values. Here p is 3x square into del q by del z is 0 minus of del r by del y is minus 3y square plus q into q is 3y square into del r by del x, it will be minus 3x square minus del p by del z is 0 plus r into, here r is minus x cube minus y cube minus e power of 2z into del p by del y is 0 minus del q by del x is 0. Now simplify. Negative into negative is positive. Now positive into positive, positive, 3 into 3, 9, 9x square y square. Plus into minus minus, 3 is 3, 9, 9 y square x square. Now plus 0 minus 0 is 0 and 0 into something will be 0 and this term vanishes. Now the positive of 9x square y square and negative of 9x square y square gets cancelled. So the value will be 0 and therefore the given equation is integrable. If this term vanishes, the given equation is integrable, otherwise it is not integrable. Here this term is 0, so the given equation is integrable. And this is 2 marks question and they may ask for 2 marks. Let me move to second equation. We have to verify the integrability condition for this equation. Yz plus z square into dx minus xz into dy plus xy into dz is equal to 0. First write down the PQR values. Here p is equal to the coefficient of dx. It will be yz plus z square. Q is the coefficient of dy. It will be negative of xz. You have to take negative also. Capital R is the coefficient of dz. It will be xy. Find these values. Del p by del y. P in a derivative with respect to y. X and z are constants. Z constant to y in a derivative 1. 1 into z, z. And z is a constant. Z squared in the derivative 0. So 1. So z plus 0, z. Now del p by del z is equal to, with respect to z differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, y is a constant. Y into z na derivative 1. Y into 1y. Plus z is a constant, so with respect to z, z square the derivative 2z, y plus 2z. Del q by del x is equal to, with respect to x, z constant to minus z, x the derivative 1, minus z into 1, minus z. Del q by del z, with respect to z differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, x constant, minus x into z na derivative 1, minus x into 1, minus x. Del r by del x, y constant to x and derivative 1, y into 1y. Del r by del y is equal to x constant to x into y in the derivative 1, x into 1, x. Now consider this term. Consider this integrability term. P into del q by del z minus del r by del y plus q into del r by del x minus del p by del z plus r into del p by del y minus del q by del x. Apply the respective values. Here p is yz plus z square. P is yz plus z square into del q by del z is minus x minus of del r by del y is x minus x plus q into q is minus xz into del r by del x is y minus of del p by del z. Del p by del z is y plus 2z, but in the formula it will be negative. There is a negative, so multiply by negative. Multiply each term by negative. Negative of y, negative y. Negative of 2z, negative of 2z. Plus r into r is xy into del p by del y is z plus negative of del q by del x is minus z, but minus of minus z it will be plus z. Yz plus z square and minus x is minus 2x, multiply by minus 2x. Minus 2x into yz minus 2x yz, minus into plus minus, 2x into z square, 2x z square. Now plus y minus y gets cancelled. The remaining is minus 2z. Minus 2z into minus xz. Minus into minus plus 2xz square. Plus z plus z to 2z, 2zxy, 2xyz. Now negative of 2xyz and positive of 2xyz gets cancelled. Similarly, negative of 2xz square and positive of 2xz square gets cancelled. So this term vanishes. Therefore, the given equation is integrable. There are some exercise problems. Please go through these exercise problems. There are some MCQ questions. Here is the first question. An equation of the form P dx plus Q dy plus R dz is equal to 0, where P, Q and R are, here is the first MCQ question. An equation of the form P dx plus Q dy plus R dz is equal to 0, where P, Q and R are functions of x, y and z is called, there are different names, but we already know this type of equation is total differential equation. So the answer is none of the above. Here there is no that option, total differential equation. So the answer will be none of the above. The necessary and sufficient condition for the equation P dx plus Q dy plus R dz is equal to 0 to be integrable is, and we already know about the integrability condition, P into del Q by del Z minus del R by del Y plus Q into del R by del X minus del P by del Z plus R into del P by del Z plus del Q by del X. So the answer will be the first one, and other three are wrong. Third MCQ question, is integrability condition satisfies for the equation? Please go through this equation. Please check whether this equation satisfies integrability condition or not, and you will be found the answer will be yes. For this equation, definitely integrability condition satisfies. Please go through this problem. Fifth one, similarly, the integrability condition, whether the integrability condition satisfies this equation, y dx plus x dy into a minus z plus xy into dz, the answer will be yes. If you have any doubt, please go through these references. Thank you one and all. Thank you for the listening.